Hello there, this is Rahil from All About Affiliate Marketing. In today's video, we'll talk about the affiliate program of Trip.com. So let me take you to the website, which is Trip.com. What you want to know about them, Trip.com is a travel booking website that offers services such as booking flights, hotels, trains, rental cars, and travel experiences. It's one of the largest online travel agencies in the world, providing services to millions of customers globally. Trip.com is known for its user-friendly interface, competitive prices, and wide range of travel options, making them popular among travelers looking for convenient and affordable travel arrangements. So, if you want to book yourself something, maybe hotels, flights, attraction tours, come to their website and book anything you like. But that's not exactly why we are here. We are here to earn money from Trip.com. Can we do that? Of course we can. We simply have to join the affiliate program of Trip.com, start promoting them to our audience, and bring sales to them. And when we do that, we'll get commission. So who can join the affiliate program of Trip.com? As such, I didn't find any restrictions. So regardless of your country, so long as you can access Trip.com, you can become part of their affiliate program as an affiliate. Now, to the consumers of which country can you promote them? So long as they're accessible to the consumer of any country, you can promote them. Now, let's talk more about the affiliate program. For that, you can scroll down till the very bottom of the page, and over here you can click on affiliate program, which will take you to this page. This is the affiliate program page, and you can see here you could get up to 7% of commission when you bring sales to them. That's amazing. Now, if you scroll down, you'll learn more. Over here, you can see commission plans as well. So if I hover over here, so this is the commission plan for flights. And if you go to hotels, that is up to 7%, for trains up to 2%, for tours and tickets up to 5%. Now, it's just limited information in here. So how do you join the affiliate program of Trip.com? For that, you can simply click on join now. In here, you're not actually joining the affiliate program, but you rather will be creating an account with Trip.com, but that's how it goes. So over here, you can connect with your Facebook account, Google account, WeChat account, or Apple, or you could directly enter your email address. So in my case, I'm going to enter my email address. Then I can click on continue. It will ask for the password. You can password and here, followed by click on register and sign in. When you do that, you will see here, welcome to Trip.com. And the email has been sent to your email address. So you can log into your email account, and you can see here, you'll find an email over here. And if you don't see the email here, you can go to the spam folder and click on there. You'll find the email there for sure. So click on the email and click on verify. So this will verify your email address that you have given and will take you further. And this is what you will see. The confirmation verification successful. Now what? Are you currently in the affiliate dashboard? No, that's not the case because this is just Trip.com website. So what you have to do to get to the affiliate dashboard, you have to click on affiliate program once again, and then it will reroute you to the platform called affiliate dashboard. Now over here you will see all different sections, but your account is not yet activated, so you have to update the details before in order for your account to get activated. As you must be seeing this message, account not activated, and you have to provide your profile details, bank details, manage your sites, and commission plan. So over here, the email address and password you must have given already. In the personal details, you can mention your name. Now all the information I'm going to write here, that will be dummy for educational purpose, but in your case, ensure you write the information accurately for the best of your knowledge. So I'm going to write here the first name as John, last name is LNU. You can write your first name and last name, followed by your phone number. This is also a required field. So I'm going to write my number, which is of course the dummy number. Then secondary email address. So over here, you can give any other email address of yours, not the registered one, but more like the secondary email address. Then business details. So are you representing a business or you are an individual? If the business, then you can ensure just tick mark business and enter the details accordingly. But if you're an individual, you can click on individual and enter details accordingly. The only difference between business and individual is the addition of this field, full company name. So let's say that you're creating yourself an affiliate account with trip.com as an individual. Once you've selected individual, you can select your industry that suits your business type. So for me, let's say that I don't have any from here, then I can go with others. So whatever industry suits you, you can select that. Otherwise, you can go with other. You can also enter invite code if someone must have given invite code to you. Otherwise, you can just keep it blank. Then your market scope as well, like your audience. You basically have audience from which of these regions. So in my case, I can say I got you audience from UK, Australia, Singapore, Indonesia, and other countries. In your case, you can select your market scope as well, and then go with the partnership method. So you can click here, and since you basically be joining the affiliate program, and you must have seen this video, you can go with advertising, or you can also go with other options that suits you. And then comes the preferred payment currency. You can click here and either select USD or Hong Kong dollars. So I'm gonna go with USD. And then comes the city, region, and country. So this should be the city, region, and country of your residence. In my case, I'm gonna go with Mumbai, which is a city in India. And then once you have filled up all these details, click on register, and then it will process the given details. It will show you this confirmation, and then you will have an option to enter your payment details. You can click on fill in payment details. Over here, you can enter your bank account name, English characters only, then bank account number, again, bank name, SWIFT code, bank city, and then your billing address. So if you need help with any of your banking details, you might want to contact your bank and just take help from them and update the information here accordingly. After adding the details from here, you can go to the next section, which is manage your sites. Over here, you would find your detail already. So this would be the unique account number that would belong to you. And then there will be partner manager email. Now, this is the email address. You could write an email to you whenever you have question related to your affiliate account with trip.com. And but that's not why we are here. We are here to add information about our site. Now over here, you have to enter the details wherever you plan to promote trip.com. So let's say I got myself a website and I want to promote them. So this is the account that I created, but I don't see site URL. So I can click on edit. In your case, you can click on edit as well, and you can mention your site URL here. So if you plan to promote them on a website, enter the website URL here. But if you plan to promote them on a YouTube channel or maybe on a Facebook account page, then you can just enter the URL accordingly, followed by click on submit. Now, if you plan to promote them on different places, maybe on your website, on blog, on YouTube page, on Facebook page, like 4 different places, click on create new site, enter the name of the site and the URL, and then click on submit. You can also update the name here. So this basically took your first name, last name. So in my case, I'm going to update it to my website. So something like this, basically, let's say if your website is abc.com, maybe write the site name is abc. So this way you can provide your site details, and then you can go to commission plan. Over here, you can see the commission rate in more detail. So let's say if you bring a booking, if you brought someone to trip.com, they booked a hotel, and based on the completed booking in a month, your commission rate will be defined here. As you can see, between 5 to 7%, depending on how many bookings you have brought from hotel. Then comes the flight one here. So based on the booking numbers, they have, like, you'll get the commission rate accordingly. And then for train, it's fixed 2%. For tours and tickets, it's 4.5. And in there, attraction shows 1.5%. So this is the commission on the actual sale amount. And then pre-sale, so that's 5%. And then you can see the note here as well. So this is very important for you to understand. For hotels, booking are considered confirmed once the user has checked out after their stay. For flights and train tickets, booking are considered confirmed once the user has paid and ticket has been issued. The effective amount of booking is the amount that can be used to calculate commission. So basically, so long as it's being confirmed, your commission won't be getting calculated. So this is super important. Now, once you have read it, you can click on activate now, and your account will be activated. But since I have not updated the payment details, it has not been activated for me. But once you click on activate now, it will be done. Then you can come to dashboard to see how it looks like. So this is the quick states. Here you can see your performance, like your booking and everything. It's like just a quick view to your performance. You can see all this to have understanding of how you're performing. But then what should you be doing? You got yourself an affiliate account. Now what? Now you can start promoting them. To promote them, you can't just use any link from the website. You have to have tracking link. So for that, you can click on affiliate tools, and over here there are plenty of things that you could do. So you can go to promotion center and you can get top deals as well, and basically you can promote them. For here I go like Ramada by Bandam Navi Mumbai, so that's kind of hotel. Like this is top deals. I can click, let's say if I want to promote this one, or let's say I want to promote Dalila Mumbai, so this is like hotel. I can click on promote, and over here I will see a different image that I can select from. And let's say if I want to just promote using this image, I can click on save and generate code, and this will create a code for me which I can embed at the back end of my website or blog, and this is how I can promote. So same way as an affiliate, you could find top deals. You can also go to host sellers and you can find hot sellers too. You can click on promote to generate your tracking link, and as you can see the price is going to be this much, and the estimated earning on that would be this much. Now this is about like top deals and hot sellers, but what if you want to create your own tracking link? You don't want to get into the products which are already available, but rather want to create your own tracking link. For that, you click on affiliate link. Over here, you can click on promote specific link or find links to promote. So you can go with any of this option. Let's say if you want to promote a specific link, click on promote specific link. You can select your website from here, the one that you have given when we were doing the registration. Then you can paste the link that you want to convert into a tracking link. So for say I got this trip.com that I want to promote. Maybe I just want to promote the homepage. I can copy this. I can come here. I can mention the URL in here. I can click on generate, and observe this created a tracking link. So if I share it with anyone, if they will click on this, it will redirect them to the homepage. And this is a tracking link. It's super important that I should be using the tracking link. So this is how you can create the tracking link from any link on their website. Then comes static banner. So what is static banner? As you can see, if you want your user to browse your trip.com site freely, basically just, static banner is you click on create new banner, and you can design your own banner. For example, like you like this, so you can select this, and you can also make changes in the layout or display text, and then click on save and generate. So this is like a static banner. You can embed this link at the back end of your website or blog, and they will see the static banner. If someone would click on it, it will take them to the homepage, and they can explore different things about trip.com and bring sales to them. In return, you get commission basis on confirmed booking. Then comes the dynamic banner. This is great because it's basically the content within the banner would get changed. So if you want to create new banner, click on create new banner, just like the destination from here. And then based on that, the content here will get changed, as you can see. So once it gets embedded on your website, this is how it will appear to the end user when they will be coming to your website. And you can click on save and generate code, and this will create code for you. But again, this all are HTML link code. That means it needs to be integrated from backend. Then comes search box. So you can create search boxes in here. As you can see, this is how it will look. The same way, click on new search box, customize it, and get yourself the tracking link for it. Then comes the promo campaign. So let's say if you want to get some promo, depending on the language and currency, you can select and get the promos. For example, I want to get a promo in English for US. Then I can click on EN US, and these are the current two promotions available. The same way you can find the popular deals, or you can also find created promos and promote it accordingly. Simply click on share, and you would be able to get the link code, and you can embed it. So this is how you can get the link. You can start promoting trip.com. But the question is, how exactly can you promote them, or rather, where exactly can you promote them? There are many ways. Still, I'm going to cover a few. So you could basically promote them on any website you got. Doesn't matter. Just put it anywhere on your website, maybe on a place where you feel like it will be more convenient for your users. When they see it, they will be more motivated to click on it and make themselves a booking of any of these things. For blog, you could create blog could be amazing because on blog you could create blog posts on different properties, maybe on attractions, the tourism activities that people can do. So you can create blog posts on different stuff, put your tracking link over there, and this is how when the users would click on a tracking link would bring, or rather would book, then you will end up getting commission. Second way is travel and tourism website, which I feel like would be better because people come to travel and tourism websites to search for travel and tourism options. So maybe you can create a standalone section for trip.com, maybe just standalone web page, and put all the good things about trip.com over there. Maybe top selling items over there, or maybe customize it to the best of your liking. And people anyways comes to those kind of websites to book for different things from different websites, so this could be good for you. The third, which I feel like would be better and would be more flexible, is a social media, because on social media you can do plenty of things. Maybe you got yourself a YouTube account, so you create different videos on different properties on trip.com, and this way you can promote the properties in the description, put the tracking link. Then comes Facebook, so you could create videos on Facebook, or maybe reels, and then in the description just share your tracking link. Now these videos and reel could be on anything, maybe on different places available on trip.com, different travel attractions, or something else, totally up to you. Then there are other social media accounts as well, but whenever you plan to promote them, ensure that you have given that as your website. And again, if you ever want to make change, just come to your dashboard, go to account, and over here you can update. You can go to manage sites, and you can add more sites as well. So just totally up to you. But whenever you promote them, ensure you update these details in here. Thereafter, so once you have started promoting them, once you started bringing sales to them, where would you see your performance? That's the another question. Well, you could go to dashboard and you can have a quick stage, but if you want to have a detailed report, then you click on report, and over here you can generate your report and see all your booking report. Then if you click on commission report, over here you can see a commission report as well, like total commission paid, payment processing, and total outstanding amount, payment threshold as well. And if you click here, payment history, over here you will get to see payment history. But then what about payment? Let's learn more about it. So they will issue a report for the previous month detailing all booking eligible for commission no later than 15 of each month. So all the bookings that you have brought to trip.com, they will generate a report, they will send it to you before 15 of the month. More information regarding commission is available in the FAQ section. So if you click on FAQ, it will take you to more questionnaires, and you can read and learn more about it. We'll look at that too, and they will notify you if there is any additional requirement needed in order to process your commission. Trip.com strives to finalize and pay commission in the shortest possible time to help you ensure receive earning. So let's go to FAQ and learn more about it. So if you go to FAQ, you can read about my account, integration, commission, and payment. So if you click on commission payment, you can see how can you update your bank details. So here's important thing: when you have updated your banking details, you can only do it once. Like, there's no way you can edit it. The only way is you write an email to them and request that you want to edit your banking details. Second is, how does the payment process work? So over here, this is like they have return and details. So by 15 of the month, they will send you the report. And then once you have reached $200 worth of confirmed commission, they will send a payment to you accordingly. Transfers are made on a monthly basis as long as you have made the minimum threshold. If you don't reach the amount 1 month, then your earning will be added to the following month. That's just something to keep in mind. They will process your payment after 10th of each month if your monthly commission payable amount is over $200 or over 1,500 Hong Kong dollars or more. The processing period will be within 45 working days. So let's say for the bookings that you have made in the month of May, you can expect the report of it by the 15th of June, and then count 45 days from there in order for you to get the commission. So net 60 days. Now, is it normal? Yes, in affiliate marketing, it's normal. The brands usually take between 30 days to 60 days to make the payment of the commission on. So it's all good. then you can also read the other questions to get the answers that you might have. Okay, so this is how you can find the answer to the questions that you have. And there's another thing I would advise you to do is click on dashboard. You see this link, so you can maybe bookmark this link. Next time, whenever you want to log in, simply just click on this link, enter your credential, and you will be there in your dashboard. So this is how you create an account with trip.com as an affiliate. You start promoting them, start earning commission, and get the commission from them. And this brings us to the end of the video. I hope the video was helpful to you and will help you in learning all about trip.com affiliate program. For me, if you got any question related to affiliate marketing, or if you want me to create a video on the affiliate program of any other brand, do let me know in the comment section, and I'll try my best to create a video on them. In the meantime, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click on the bell icon so that any video I create like this, you get notified for the same. Thanks for watching.